That we've talked a little bit about events, let's talk about some basic probabilities. So I'm going to start off by thinking about an experiment where I toss two dice. One is a black die and the other one is a white die, just so that we keep them apart, because we want to make sure that we're all on the same page here. They're two different dice, okay? Two different dice. What could possibly happen if I roll two different dice? Well, my sample space should be, well, I could see double ones. One on the left is a 1, one on the right is a 1. One on the left is a 1, and the one on the right is a 2. Or 3, dot, 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 up to, 1, comma 6, right? Or 2, 1. Or 2, 2. 2, 3, dot, 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 2, 6, right? And so forth and so on. You could see a 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, oops, dot, 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 6, comma 6, double sixes. Okay? So that's the idea. Another way to say that is it's the set of all pairs I, j, such that both I and j are elements of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, the integers from 1 to 6. Okay, you could write it like that. Now, I'm going to write this out real quick in a different way, just so that we can have a nice picture to work with. Okay, but this is how you want to think of it in set notation. Okay, because remember, you want to think of sample spaces and events as sets. Okay, events are subsets of the sample space. But just do this: 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. Okay, makes sense? 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6, 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5, and 5, 6. I can see 6, 1, 6, 2, then a 6, and 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, and 6, 6. Maybe the die on the left in each case. Maybe this is the outcome where the black die shows a 3 and the white die shows a 1. Makes sense? Which is a different outcome from the black die showing a 1 and the white die showing a 3. Right? These are two different outcomes. And because here the order matters, because the first position of the pair corresponds to the black die, the outcome of the black die. Right? So maybe I could talk about, maybe I'm interested in the event that the sum is 4. The sum is 4. Okay? What's the probability of that event? The sum is 4. Well, look here, and I can see here are all my sums of 4, right? 3. Here's how you can compute the probability of simple events, right? If you have a finite set of outcomes, and each one of these outcomes is equally likely, and I believe they're all equally likely. How many of them are there? There's 36, right? 6 rows by 6 columns. The black die can show one of 6 things, and the white die will show one of 6 things. So 6 times 6 is 36. There are 3 ways to get a sum of 4 out of 36. You write that as a 12th, whatever. Okay. What about the event that the sum is 7? If B is the event that the sum is 7, then the probability of B is, well, how many ways can you get a sum of 7? 7. There's 7 ways to get a sum of 7, right? They occur right along there. Sorry, not 7. 6. 6 ways to get a sum of 7 out of 36. Or a sixth. Okay? Makes sense? What about the event that at least one die shows a 3? At least one die shows a 3. At least one 3. Okay. Probability of C. At least 1, 3. Where do I see at least 1, 3? At least 1, 3. That's going to happen here, right? See that? At least 1, 3. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 ways to do that. Don't screw this up. Don't count 6 plus 6 is 12. Double count the middle one there. Don't do that. Okay? It's 11 ways out of 36. 11 ways out of 36. Okay. What if I'm interested in the chance of A intersect C? What is that anyway? A intersect C, that's the event that the sum is 4 and you get at least 1, 3. The event that the sum is 4 and you get at least 1, 3. Well, that only occurs here and here, right? It's 2 ways, I think. Isn't that right? 2 ways out of 36. Or 1/18th. Okay? What is the probability that you do this? Ooh, what is the meaning of that anyway? A and not C. That's A is the event that you get a sum of 4. So I want to know the chance that I get a sum of 4 and that I don't get a 3. Right? C complement is the event that you don't get a 3. You do not see a 3 at all. Okay? So this is the chance that I get a sum of 4 and I do not see a 3. Sum of 4 and I don't see a 3. It's this way. It's this one right here. That's the only way to do that. So it's 1 way out of 36. Right? What about, what's the event A union B? What's the event that the sum is 4 or that the sum is 7? Sum of 4 or 7. Okay? So then the probability of A union B, well, how many ways can I get a 4? How many ways can I satisfy this event A union B? There are 4 ways to get a sum of 4, and there are 6 ways to get a sum of 7. 36, 10 out of 36, or it's also known as 5/18ths, right? Very good.